this is how you can wrap your insole as a beginner. So there are two ways of doing this. I usually use Mako 6 for men while I use Mako 4 and a fiber for women. So you must not follow my pattern, just do what works for you. Now this is us just trying to mark out where we are placing our insole and the leather. So this is just like a pair of black and fiance, so black leather we got at a shoemaking store, and it was able to wrap like two pairs of insole. Now we are using a ready-made sole. We got this insole directly from a ready-made sole. So if you want a video on how you can get your insole using a ready-made sole, you just let me know in the comment section. So we applied gum, let it dry for some time, and we went ahead into placing it on the marked area. So as a beginner, I will advise you mark it, apply your gum before placing it. This will give you a guide on how you can cut it and also how you can manage your space. You don't want the leather or the fiance to be too large, and you don't want it to be too small, not to be able to fold properly into the insole that you are trying to use. So as a beginner, you try as much as possible to mark those areas first so that you can cut it properly and accurately for easy folding. Now when you are done cutting the insole, when you are done cutting the leather as seen in the video, you are going ahead into applying your gum on the Mako 6 and also on the leather for proper folding. Now if your leather is not properly folded or it's not properly pleated, it will show. That's something about folding your insole. When you even go to the filing machine to like file the edges, it will show. So it's better to just take your time and do it once and for all. So you are applying gum at the edge and also at the margin of the Mako 6 that you are making use of. But if you be using a fiber, it is just okay. Now I usually use this Mako 6 method because sometimes we don't get light and you would want to do a very good work for a customer. Mako 6 will come handy for you. Seriously, you don't even need to file the edge. But as a beginner, after cutting the Mako 6 from your ready-made sew, make sure you just brush the edges to be on the safe side. Now when your gum sits for some time, you are raising